So you're looking for the perfect first boat, and that is the Boston Whaler 160 Super Sport, and there's a couple of reasons why. One, you have the best brand on earth, Boston Whaler, which is the unsinkable legend. This is the safest boat that you and your family can go out in. This thing will never sink. I love this 160 Super Sport with the platinum hull side, the black rub rail with the stainless steel insert, the Mercury 90 horsepower, 4-stroke engine on the back. We also have the trailer with it as well with a spare. We have the console with the windshield. The windshield looks low, but I'll tell you what, when you're sitting there, it actually pushes the wind right over your face, so it's not blowing in your eyes the entire day. We have a generous bench seat here, which can be outfitted any way you want it. You can keep it exactly as it is. We can get sport bucket seats like you'd find in a race car. You can get half bucket seats, or you can just get a cushion. We also have the cooler. The cooler is built in on this 160 Super Sport. It is removable still. However, you can get a cushion there as well, giving you another seat. In the bow of the 160 Super Sport, we have this nice split bow rail, giving you that extra feeling of safety. We also have these low profile handrails as well on both port and starboard, giving you that extra security if you are moving about the boat while you're out. We also have a nice big bow seating area up here with an anchor locker. This bow area can also be filled in with a bow cushion. If you have any questions about the Boston Whaler 160 Super Sport, come on down to MarineMax Norwalk, 130 Water Street, or give us a call and we'd be happy to talk about the boat with you at 860-661-4672, and we look forward to seeing you out on the water.